Hi, this is Caleb Ward with RocketStock.com. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our new Unity Lite After Effects template. This freebie comes fully loaded with 5 free wedding badges and 16 Lite leaks. Before you begin editing the wedding badges, you need to make sure you have the appropriate fonts installed on your computer. To find these fonts, simply look inside your Downloads folder for the Unity Lite Font Links text document. Inside the document, you'll find links to all of the fonts used in our Unity Lite After Effects template. Alright, so let's jump into the template. To open the template, simply double-click on the After Effects project file. If you're using a version of After Effects newer than CS6, you'll see a small error box pop up. This isn't a big deal. Simply click OK. When the After Effects project opens up, you'll see 5 badges with corresponding numbers. These numbers go hand in hand with the composition number found under the badges folder. To customize the text, simply double-click in the Customize Text composition. There's a field for the first and second name along with the last name and the date. So I'm going to just change one of these names here and jump back into our badge preview composition. As you can see, the name has automatically changed based on our changes in the Customize Text composition. If you want to edit your badge further, simply double-click on the badge you want to use in your project and move the elements around as you need. Once you have your badge ready to export, simply go to the composition in your project panel and navigate to Composition, Add to Render Queue. You are going to want to export your composition so that the background is transparent. In order to do that, simply go to the Output module and go to Custom. For our purposes, we'll use a QuickTime wrapper and choose a codec of Apple ProRes 4444 and click OK. The last thing we want to do is set our RGB channels to RGB plus alpha and click OK. Next, we can simply name our wedding badge to whatever we want and click Save and Render. Next, let's hop into our video editing application of choice. I'm using Premiere Pro, but you can use Final Cut Pro or Avid Media Encoder. It doesn't really matter. For our example composition, we have some Shutter stock footage along with a light leak from our Illuminate Light Leaks kit here on RocketStock. To import our badge, I'm simply going to double-click in our project panel and select our My Wedding Badge 3. To import your badge into your sequence, simply drag it on top of your footage in your composition. Alright, so this is looking good. One thing that I see here is that the badge is a little large for our sequence here, so I'm going to go ahead and select it and go to Motion and scale it down to where it fits our composition. That looks great. If you have any more questions about using these wedding badges, please ask us in the comments below. And if you're looking for even more amazing wedding badges, check out our full Unity Wedding Badge Kit here on RocketStock.com. Thank you.